Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to another video, man. It's a different type of video, guys. Today we're gonna be installing the puddle lights on a Dodge Challenger 2019 with the logo that says Challenger. Let's see how they're gonna look. I was looking on YouTube, I couldn't see too much videos on this, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make my own video because not too much videos on it. So I ordered my stuff right here. We have my stuff right here. All you're gonna need, honestly, for this is a flathead screwdriver. That's honestly all you need. Also, there's two different sizes online. I was doing my research before I bought these because I couldn't find the right one, because I have a 2019, let me see, you can't even see me. I have a 2019 Dodge Challenger SXT. That's my car right now. And I was trying to find the right version for it, but I couldn't. So what I had to do, because on Amazon it says 2018, it says it doesn't fit the 2019 one. But then I measured it and it's the same exact size. So I don't know if you guys have the same problem. There's two different sizes, so make sure you guys measure them. I'll put the link down below in the description for both of them. And then just measure it. Make sure you guys measure your puddle light that you guys have on right now and see which one it actually is, because hopefully I ordered the right one. We're gonna try it out and see if it fits. But let me get all the stuff out of the packaging and all that, and then we're gonna get right into it and I'll show you guys how to do it. All right, so we're getting this stuff unpacked right now, guys. Like I said, man, make sure you guys order the right ones. That's what the packaging looks like right here. Not crazy packaging, I mean, we don't care about packaging, but make sure you guys order the right ones because there's two different sizes. I didn't know that, and then once I was looking on Amazon, I was like, I noticed there was two different sizes. The ones that I have are like 2.5, where are they? 2.75 inches, and there's another one that's 2.90 or something like that. So make sure you guys measure this puddle light before, measure all the measurements before you guys go ahead and purchase one. But I'll put the links for the two different ones. And pay attention to that. I didn't know that was a thing, but then once I started doing my research a little bit more, I was like, wait, you know. And this is a 2019 SXT. If you guys didn't catch that at the beginning of the video, if you guys want to know what type of vehicle this is, so if you guys have this type of vehicle, these will be the ones you guys need. So like I said, all we need is a flathead screwdriver. Got my flathead right here. This is honestly all we need, flathead screwdriver. So let me. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and open up these. Get these out real quick. They come in a packaging like this. Let's see what they look like. If you want to see what they look like, this is what they look like. And then, like I said, I measured mine. I made sure that this, like across, and then all this was the same exact size. So these should be able to fit. Well, hopefully they do, and we'll see if they don't. We'll figure it out. But this is how they look right here, and I'll show you guys how the other ones look. So let's go over here, and like I stated, all we need is the flathead, man. All we need is a flathead screwdriver for this. What you guys want to do on this end right here has like a little push pin. All you guys want to do is push that in, and then this thing's gonna pop right on out. If you guys want to see, it's too big. You get a smaller one. You guys want to get one that's gonna get right on in there. Shoot. Let me get it right. You gotta get angled, sitting down right and all that stuff. Got that down. You know, don't go too hard, but do go a little bit hard on it. You know, you got have like a little push right here, a little push pin. All you gotta do is push that down. It's gonna pop right on out. I have to get a smaller one so it can get right on in there. This might be it right here. I had trouble with the first one, but then the second time I did it, just popped on out. But I'm having trouble right now. But just keep messing with it and it'll pop right on out, guys. Like I said, don't be too strong with it so you guys don't break anything. But do put a little bit of pressure on it so it can start coming out. Alright, I see the pin. So yeah, on this side is the pin. All you guys want to do is press that in. I can't get it real good. Give me a second here. we go. So this is the pin that we're talking about right here, guys. This little pin, all you guys want to do is press this in. Once you press this, let me focus it. This is the pin right here. So you guys want to press this in, and then once you press this in, this thing's gonna pop right on out like this, just like this. All right. So you guys can see how it looks like right here. Now here has a little thing you guys got to press on right here. Just push this in, it's gonna pop right on out. Need the flat one. You having multiple like sizes of the flatheads will be perfect. Just push this right on out. Don't do it too strong because you guys do not want to mess up this wiring. So that's that. Now all you guys want to do, now this thing doesn't say left or right. You know what, these don't say left or right, and they didn't come left or right. And it's gonna matter because of the logo, but I'll try to I'm gonna try this one first, turn it on, and then if it's the opposite, we'll try to flip it. All right, so it's in. Let me make sure it's working real quick, and let me make sure it's the right size, because if not, we'll just flip it on out before I start putting it back in. So let me get right back with you guys. All right, guys. So it gives it power and everything. It works. The only problem is the logo in like this is backwards. So it's the other one that we got to use. So we're gonna take it off real quick and put the other one on. So I wish they would have put like a sticker that said left or right, because you know. But this is the right one. I don't know how to tell the difference. If I look at them, I really cannot tell. You really cannot tell the difference. Oh, maybe right here. It has this little thing right here. Make sure this is pointing towards the door. Let me see. This thing right here might be the difference. Make sure this part is pointing towards the door, like into the door. This little thing. And that's how you might know that it's the right one. Yeah, that's how you know. So this little thing right here, make sure that's pointing towards your door. So easy install here. Plug, all it does is plug and play. Now we want to put all that wiring back in, and now the clip part goes out. The clip part goes out towards the outside. Now we put it in. This is the part I'm kind of nervous about. I measured it and everything, but this said, oh, it fit perfectly. This is the part that I was worried about, because on Amazon it said that this one that I bought, it said that it didn't fit the 2019 Dodge Challenger, but it just fit the 2019 Dodge Challenger. That's what I'm saying. Measure it before you guys put it in, because I have a 2019 Dodge Challenger, and the one that said 2015 through 2018 fit, and the one that said for 2019 was a different measurement, and it wouldn't have fit if I would have bought the one that said 2019. So make sure you guys measure that, so you guys don't have to return and go through all that trouble. And then I'm gonna install the other one real quick, and then I'm gonna show you guys, and then we'll see how this. All right, guys, so same thing for this one. What we want to do is you know, put our flathead into the side that's pointing out towards the door. Try to get that pin. All we gotta do is push this pin. Once you push this pin, this thing's gonna pop right on out like that. This one was much easier than the other one. Then to unplug it, all we want to do is, I'm only pressing gently on this right here. Focus a little bit. I'm only pressing gently on this part right over here. I'm not pressing hard, so it could just pop right on out, and then we could just slide it out. It's like it had like a little pin. Like I said, you don't want to mess with this too much, because you don't want to mess up the wiring or anything like that. This is our left side one. All we want to do is plug it in like this. Simple. And then always the side with the pin goes towards the outside, facing the outside. There we go. Perfect. All right, now let's see how it looks. Turn this thing on, and and see how these look. Yo, this thing right here was chrome, but I changed it. I bought it a little cheap piece on Amazon for 15 bucks. and it looks way nicer like this, honestly. Still a lot of changes I have to do to this car, man. Still a lot of changes. I'm gonna do a video showing you guys the car. A lot of people haven't seen the car and just like showing it to you guys. I also changed these lights, and these to all the white ones. I need to change the ones that are at the bottom. You can't see them right now because they're at it's daytime, but there's some at the bottom that I need to change. Also, these rear lights are yellow. I need to figure out how to change them. But let's get to the video. You can't even see it from, or you can. You kind of see it. You could kind of see it. Let me see, yeah, so you can see it on my hand right now. I'm gonna have to show you guys this at night, because honestly, you cannot see this with this bright sun out here. Yeah, you can't even see them, honestly. I should have recorded this at night, this part. Well, I'm gonna just record this part at night, because you can honestly, you can't see this. Like, you can't see it. So I'll record this part at night, and then we'll see how they look at night. Yeah, so I had to get, you can't see them in the daytime, guys, but you can see them way better at night, man. These things look really good. You guys see right here, Challenger, man. That thing looks clean. I'm not even gonna lie. That thing looks clean. Like I said, you can't really see it in the daytime, but at night, these things look really good. I really like it. And, you know, it's real cheap, $25 mod. Nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy, and then it looks really nice. I'm gonna show you guys the other door in here in just a second as well, just so you guys can see both doors. All right, so here's the other side. Nothing different. Like I said, man, just the Challenger logo in there, man. Looks really clean. You guys see it right there. This thing looks real clean at night, guys. Real cheap, you know, real cheap mod. I really recommend it. The only thing I recommend is measuring. Measure your puddle light size first, and then buy. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description as well, man. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, all that good stuff, man. But that's gonna be it for this one. Appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. God bless.